Hello friends, dear SSC students, we are going to deal with the poem Unit 3.1. The title of the poem is If. The poet is Rudyard Kipling. It is an advice given by a father to his son. Listen carefully, the first stanza. If you can keep your head when all about you are losing theirs and blaming it on you. If you can trust yourself when all men doubt you, but make allowance for their doubting too. When people doubt about you or people are losing something and blaming for their loss to you, then you have to keep your head. Means people lose their something and blame it on you. You have to keep your head. If you can trust yourself, it means you must trust yourself when all others doubt about you. But it is your duty to consider their doubting. Make allowance for means consider their doubting whether they are right or wrong. If you have patience, if you can wait, you need not tire by waiting. You should wait because waiting is life. Or you are being lied about, don't deal in lies. If you are trapped in some false things, so you need not deal in lies, you need not get mingled in it, you need not give importance to such things. You should be away from it. Or people hate you, being hated, you need not hate the people who are hating you. And yet not look too good means don't come before the people as a perfect. Don't show off that you are perfect. And don't show off your knowledge. Then only people will consider you. Second stanza. If you can dream and not make the dreams your master. Dreaming is the quality of sensible person. So you must dream, you must see dreams of your future, but not to make the dreams your master means you should not be slave of the dreams. If you can think and not make thoughts your aim, means your thinking is good, your thoughts are good, but thoughts are not the aim. They are just path to reach to your goal. If you can meet with the triumph and disaster in your life, you can meet the victory and disaster. These two things are temptations. So you should be patient and you just treat both of them as the same. Whether victory or disaster, you treat as the same things. If you can bear to hear the truth you have spoken, means you must be firm about your truth that you have spoken. It may be falsified by your enemies or slaves, and the fool people may think this, that you are liar, or the things you have spoken is not true. Then you must keep your head or watch the things you gave your life to. Means you have created something with your great efforts in your life. It may be broken. it may be broken by the people means the people may try to spoil it. So you should stoop, go down, you will be humble and you will try to build them up with redoubled vigor. Worn out tools means though the tools are not proper, though the ways are not with you, though the circumstances are against you, you have to build them up with redoubled vigor. Third stanza, if you can talk with crowds and keep your virtue, means you mix with people, but while mixing with the people you have to keep your morals, virtues, goodness, all these things. Or walk with kings means you are rich, or you are walking with some rich people like kingly people. You need not lose the common touch means you need not lose the contact with the common people, or you need not forget them. Means though you are rich, you need not lose the common touch, or you need not forget the common people. If neither foes nor loving friends can hurt you, means your friends or your enemies may not hurt you. And if all count with you, means all consider you as equally important, but none too much. Means you should not give importance to anyone. You should count all the people same. If you can fill the unforgiving minute with 60 seconds worth of a distance run, yours is the earth and everything that is in it, and which is more, you will be a man, my son. If you can fill unforgiving minute means time is money. If you lose time, you will lose everything. So you have to use each and every minute, that is with 60 seconds means you have to use each and every second, minute second, microsecond for the proper thing. Then yours is the earth and everything that is in it is yours, means you will be the master of everything, and more, you will be a man, means you will be a good human being, my son. This is a valuable advice given by the father to his son through this poem by Rudyard Kipling. Some words to understand: keep your head means have patience, make allowance for means consider, being lied about means false things spoken about, give way to hating means allowed hatred, talk too wise means show off your knowledge, don't look too good means not to be perfect, triumph means victory, knaves means slaves, impostors means deceiving others, pretending to be someone else, truth twisted by the knaves means change the truth a little for gain, keep your virtue means keep goodness, lose the common touch means refuse to interact with the common people, count with you means equally important, unforgiving minute means time never waits for anyone, 60 seconds worth of distance means make use of every second, be a man means to be a good perfect human being. The rhyme scheme of the poem in the stanza 1 A and rest of the stanzas AB. See the stanzas. Stanza 1 A, U, two. And the next A, B. Waiting lies. Waiting, hitting, lies, wise. A, B. Master, disaster. A, aim, B, disaster. A, same, B. Aim, same, disaster, master. Spoken, broken. Fool's tools. Spoken A, tools, fools B. Spoken, broken. A, fools, tools, B. Spoken A, fools B. Broken A, tools B. A, B. Virtue, touch. A, B. U, virtue. A. Much touch. B. A, B. Minute, run. A, B. It, A. Minute, it. A. Run, son. B. A, B. Figures of speech. There are many figures of speech used here in this poem: metaphor, personification, antithesis, tautology. For example, two figures of speech are given here. Antithesis, two opposite ideas brought together. Example, if neither foes nor loving friends. Foes and loving friends, two opposite ideas brought together. All men count you and none too much. Count and none too much. Two opposite ideas brought together. Tautology means saying some same thing twice in different words. Yours is the earth and everything that is in it. Means earth and that is in it. Means in that earth, which is more, you will be a man, my son. Man, my son. So same things with different words are used in this example. The theme of the poem, the poem is in the form of an advice given to a son by his father. Most of the lines of the poem begin with if, only to suggest a condition for being a good human being. The father expects from the son to fulfill these conditions to live with dignity. Thank you very much.